has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern St. John the Baptist Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southeastern St. Helena Parish in southeastern Louisiana, eastern Livingston Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Tangipahoa Parish in southeastern Louisiana, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Amite City to near Albany to near Ponchatoula, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Amite, Ponchatoula, Amite City, Independence, Roseland, Albany, Springfield, Montpelier, Natalbany, Robert, Killian, Tickfaw, and West LK Pontchartrain Buoy. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 12 between mile markers 28 and 52. Interstate 55 in Louisiana between mile markers 9 and 51. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Livingston, St. Helena, St. John the Baptist, and Tangipahoa. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Maurepas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles north of Lake Maurepas to 8 nautical miles east of Manchac to 6 nautical miles west of Eden Isle, moving south at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Manchac, Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Maurepas, Orleans Marina, Mandeville, Lake Maurepas, the midpoint of the Causeway Bridge, Kenner, and Eden Isle. Strong winds will be dangerous for boaters or anyone near the water. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Seek shelter or move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.